What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to go over live trade examples, screen recording on an XAU trade entry using Trusted Signals. I see a lot of indicator companies claiming they work, but I don't see these guys screen recording real live trade examples showing their indicator sell signals or buy signals while executing those signals on a trading platform. So we're gonna go ahead and do that in this video. Let's go ahead and show them how it's done. So here are my entries. Opening up the app, I'm gonna go onto the 1 minute so you can see the entries that I took. Here, zooming in. Boom. All right here. This sell signal came in, was absolutely beautiful, and you could see the move that happened right after was spot on. Then the second move following the second sell signal. Now there was a buy signal. You could have profited off that move, but I didn't choose to enter on a buy at that point for many reasons. We were at a high point on the higher time frame on the 4 hour, so it wouldn't make sense for me to just buy at the top of the 4 hour. So that's why I didn't buy at that moment. Yeah, now it's up to me if I really want to close these entries or not. Do I want to close these? Because this is my take profit right here. My take profit is about to hit, but it's just fighting that. I want to show you guys my entry right here, which followed that sell signal. And basically that buy is what you see here, that pullback. And this sell right there is this whole move. This is looking like it's struggling to hit TP, so I'm just gonna close out manually. Close. Oh, what? Hold on. Yeah. Close. There we go. Close. And this last one, I'm going to close partials. So just double tap here. And I'm gonna close half of the position, close, and move my stop into profit. So now it's risk-free. Just move it up and then move it down right before the entry, and that's it. And that's how it's done.